Goodbye, Romeo. Maybe next time, try a softer putting stroke?
Will, why does this green feel so fast?
Oh no, Romeo. There was no great putt. Let's ask Oki about it. Oki, how do you measure green speed? And why is today's green so fast?
Golf courses use a tool called a Stimpmeter to measure green speed. The ball is released on a relatively flat part of the green using gravity at about a 20-degree angle. Then they measure how far the ball rolls. Usually, 6 to 8 feet is considered slow, 8 to 10 is medium, and 10 to 12 is fast. Today's green speed is 12, so this green is very fast, Romeo.
Thank you so much, Oki. Now I understand how the green speed is measured. And since today's green speed is 12, it is very fast. So now I understand why Romeo's ball went outside of the green. I researched about the Stimpmeter. It was invented in 1935 by a man named Edward Stimson. So that's it, G-FLOs. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our our YouTube channel, Golf Buddies by GOLFFLOG. Let's go vlogging!